Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. My name is TaHoney. Today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They did send me this bomb wig, y'all. This wig is a little bit different. The baby hairs on this wig are kinky curly, so it is a little bit different, but I definitely love it, y'all. I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. So if you are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, it's very beginner friendly. Let's get right into the video.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Hear my face in action. These days, oh my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. But you can't get better. in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it.
So guys, this is the final look. It's kind of hard for me to curl with flat irons, but y'all, I tried the best that I could. Everything about this company and this hair will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything, the exact link, their website, their Instagram, literally everything, as well as my Instagram and my TikTok. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you, period, y'all. I definitely love this hair. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely good quality, the curls, the pattern, literally everything. I definitely love it, y'all. This is definitely a good go-to affordable black wig. You know, you can never go wrong with a black wig. So yes, y'all, definitely use that discount code to get money off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 50K. We're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. Period.